Our motoring tip of the week concerns vital fluids. Now, we talk about how vital these fluids are to the life of the powertrain of our vehicle, and they are, but it's also vitally important that the manufacturer of that vehicle is happy with what fluids you're using on an ongoing basis, certainly for the warranty period of your vehicle, because if you make a warranty claim and you haven't met their standards, they could deny your warranty claim. Now, case in point, if you're talking about motor oil, coolant, brake fluid, power steering fluid, a lot of these fluids, you could come up with multiple fluid suppliers who could all meet the criteria for any given manufacturer. There could be a number of different motor oil suppliers, coolant suppliers, etc., all meeting that spec. But when it comes to transmission fluid, the story can get quite different for some manufacturers, particularly the Japanese vehicle manufacturers. Some of them have very, very specific criteria for the fluid going in their transmission. I don't want to name names, but there was one manufacturer who, during the production run of the vehicle, took the warranty on the transmission and expanded it to 10 years. The only thing that they scrutinized if you tried to make a warranty claim, should that CVT transmission fail, was what fluid was in the transmission. As long as it was their fluid, so in other words, if you'd only ever topped it up or changed it with their fluid, they'd give you a new transmission for up to 10 years. If you'd put a foreign fluid or a different fluid in other than theirs, no warranty claim. So be careful when it comes to CVT transmissions, or any transmissions for that matter, in Japanese manufacturers' vehicles. Only use their specific fluid and nothing else. That's your motoring tip of the week.